Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at sole and mere, adverbs solely and merely. Okay, sole and mere are adjectives. So sole means the one and only, unique, whereas mere means nothing more than, no better than. So there was a sole orange on the table, just one. There was a mere orange on the table, nothing more than an orange. It was only an orange. It was not very interesting. Yeah, it wasn't something fantastic like Camu Camu from the Amazon or a pineapple. It was a mere orange. Yeah, the mere here emphasizes that it is insignificant. It doesn't emphasize the fact that it's one, it emphasizes its insignificance. A sole orange just talks about the fact there's one. A mere orange says the fact that it's an orange is insignificant. Oranges are insignificant. He is my sole relative, the only one I have. He is, I would say, a mere relative, nothing more significant than a relative. So sole focuses on just one. Mere focuses on insignificance, that it's not a relevant or important thing. Okay, so sole. Notice this word sole, it has other meanings. The sole of your foot, the sole of a shoe, the flat part on the bottom of your foot, or the flat part on the bottom of a shoe. And also a Dover sole, a fish, a flat fish that's very tasty. So both of those are spelled S-O-L-E. We also have soul, S-O-U-L, soul music, or the part of your body that continues to exist after you die, according to some religions. Okay, so soul, just one. Mere, it's insignificant. It's not of importance. It's small, it's slight. So we can also use soul meaning belonging to only one person. It is my sole right to decide what should happen here. Yeah, I'm the person that gets to decide and no one else. Soul, not divided or shared with others. So this is the sole reason that I'm doing this, the only reason. He is the sole agent for the sale. He's the only one. There are not multiple agents. He's the sole owner. They're not various owners, there's just one. He's a sole trader. Yeah, he trades on his own. It's not a company. She is solely responsible for this. She's the only person responsible. Soul comes from solus in Latin, alone. So now let's look at mere and merely. Mere emphasizing that something is small and insignificant. Okay, so a mere child could do it. Even an insignificant child could do it. Now, we can use mere in other ways, okay, just to mean it's small and slight. The merest comment about money made him angry. The smallest comment. Okay. It was mere good luck. Okay, this is going towards the other meaning. Mere, considered on its own. Yeah, it was only good luck, nothing more. So let's go to this meaning of mere, meaning considered on its own. I was shocked by the mere price of the object, let alone the size. So just the price. The mere fact that he was rich attracted her, let alone the fact that he was young and handsome. So just considered on its own. And that's a different way of using it. So, mere, nothing more than, small, slight, not big, the merest comment made him angry, and then considered on its own, the mere fact that he was rich. So, this object merely costs £1. Costs no more than £1, a small, insignificant pound. The car was sold for a mere £100. A very small amount. I consider that amount small, and it should have been sold for more. This is a mere formality, nothing more significant than a formality. Notice as well, this word mere has other meanings, but these meanings are rarer. A mere can be a lake or a pond. For example, Lake Windermere. It's in the name. This is in the Lake District. Or it can also be a Maori war club. So the Maoris are the indigenous people in New Zealand. And this is a great big club to hit people with. Okay, the origin. Mere comes from merus in Latin, merus, meaning undiluted, pure, only. So, next question. What about formality? I think both of these words are neutral. You can use them in an informal conversation in the pub, and you can use them in the most formal document you're writing. I would strongly suggest you try and activate these two words. These are words students tend not to use, and your English will sound better for it. So, soul, only one, unique. Mere, nothing more than, nothing more important than. It's emphasizing the insignificance. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Soul, solely, mere, merely.